Now, if you come back to page 66, you will find in paragraph C a sentence. This was written by an author. So, as you said, the sentence is in the passive voice. So, before talking about passive voice, let's have a look at the active voice to understand what is the relation or how do we form passive voice. Nancy makes tea. So look at this sentence. Here we have subject, verb, and object. As soon as we change this sentence into the passive voice, tea, which is the object, becoming the subject of the sentence. And the subject, who is Nancy, becoming an object or is dropped, which means it's not necessary. We can deal without this. So it gives tea is made by Nancy. As I said, this is just optional. Tea is made. Now, use of the passive voice. Why do we need this passive voice? We need it when the focus is on the action. It is not important who is performing the action. That's why I said that by, it's just optional. It's not important. But the main focus is on the action. Like here, tea is made. This is what interested us. Now, what are the form of the passive voice? Here we have subject plus the appropriate form of to be plus past participle. But note here that the appropriate form of to be means to be is put in the tense of the active voice main verb. This means that if the verb is in the simple present, to be should be in the simple present. After we put the past participle. If the verb, for example, is in the simple past, to be should be in the simple past. After we put the past participle, we all the time have past participle. If it is in the future, to be should be in the future. That's why I said the appropriate form of to be according to the verb and the tense of the active voice. Now let's move on to some exercises on our workbook, page 47.